Stop wasting time on random workouts. If you want to shrink belly fat fast, you need a specific step-by-step routine that activates the right muscles and burns calories even after you stop. And today, I'm giving you the exact routine, no equipment, no experience needed. Let's go. Before we hit the fat-burning moves, wake up your core. March in place for 20 seconds, then move into torso twists for another 20 seconds. Follow this with standing knee lifts for 20 seconds. This instantly turns on your deep core muscles and boosts calorie burn. Move 1, high knees for 30 seconds. This gets your heart rate up and targets lower belly fat. If you want low impact, just drive the knees up without jumping. Do not stop, this primes your body to burn fat. Move 2, standing oblique crunches for 30 seconds each side. This attacks your love handles and sculpts your waist. Keep your core tight, don't just move your elbow, crunch with intention. Move 3, reverse crunches for 30 seconds. Lift your hips slightly off the floor. This is how you hit the stubborn lower belly area most people ignore. Move 4, mountain climbers for 30 seconds. This is your fat burn finisher. Drive your knees fast, keep your core tight, and feel your entire midsection working. Repeat this routine 3 rounds and watch how your waistline changes in just a few weeks. If you want daily fat-burning routines, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments, do you want a 7-day belly fat challenge next?